much as Motown. I love SoCal. And you know I love Springsteen, faded blue jeans, Tennessee whiskey. But something happened, I heard him laughing. I saw the dimples first and then I heard the accent. He said home is where the heart is.
Okay, before we jump into the video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I made a tutorial about how to edit like this. If you guys wanted to learn or just wanted to know, just click the link in the description box below. So yeah, let's just jump into the video.
You know I love a London boy. I enjoy walking Camden Market in the afternoon. He likes my American smile like a child when her eyes meet. Darling, I fancy you. He took me back to Highgate and all of his best mates. So I guess all the rumors are true. You know I love a London boy. Boy, I fancy you. And now I love high tea, stories from uni and the West End. You can find me in the pub or watching rugby with the school friends. Show me a grey sky or any cab ride. Babe, don't threaten me with a good time. They say home is where the heart is. But God, I love the English. You know I love a London boy. I enjoy in the Brixton, Shoreditch in the afternoon. He loves my American smile like a child when our eyes meet. Darling, I fancy you. You took me back to Highgate and all of his best mates. So I guess all the rumors are true. Boy, I love a London boy. Boy, I fancy you. I fancy you. So please show me Hackney. Doesn't have to be Louis V up on Bond Street. Just wanna be with you. Wanna be with you. Stick with me, I'm your queen. Just like a Tennessee Stella McCartney. Wanna be with you. Wanna be with you. You know I love a London boy. I enjoy walking Soho, drinking in the afternoon. He likes my American smile like a child when our eyes meet. Darling, I fancy you. You took me back to Highgate and all of his best mates. So I guess all the rumors are true. You know I love a London boy. Boy, I fancy you. I fancy you. I fancy you. I fancy you. I fancy you.
Baby blue jeans had your hand on my knee. I get shivers down my spine each time you touch me. Salt in your kiss from the 2 a.m. swim. I wish I could put my arms around a memory. You can't control it, you can't help it when you call it.
So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more video like this and click the like button. Okay guys, yeah, I think that's all. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and bye. Terima kasih sudah menonton.